So today we're showing the top Android tweet for iOS 11 through iOS 15. The first tweet is called Blue Finder. And find your iPhone using your Bluetooth devices. Never search for your iPhone again. Alright, this tweet is called Last Look. Costs $2.49. Get a last look at your phone when you lock it. Always on display tweet that really feels stuck with endless possibilities. It's called Checkra1n and 15. It's like a theme, costs $1.99. This is what it looks like. So, theme by Palera1n, designed for dark lovers. So you have these 20 to 30 icons, 4 badges, 3 icon masks, 3 status bars, and a respring logo. Photo Manager, iOS 12 to 14. So this is crowd with iPhones on iOS 12 to 14. Some functions on iOS 14 are still requiring updates, such as hiding sections features. Set the albums, move or copy photos out of the camera roll into albums, save photos directly into the album from the camera, hide a visual of albums, customize the tab bar, protect the album's face with the Touch ID or with password. It's called the Gizmo Grace, costs $4.99. For watchOS 8 and later, use Gizmo Jupiter instead. So what this tweet does, if you got a new Apple Watch and you try to pair it with your jailbroken iPhone, it says no because you're on an outdated version of iOS. This tweet allows you to bypass that, and with specific watchOS versions, you can specific iOS versions, you guys can actually pair your Apple Watch with your older iOS version. Pretty cool. You just also make sure you download the right one, depending on what watchOS version and iOS version you guys have. Call it Gizmo Jupiter, and also costs $4.99 for iOS 12. Use Gizmo Grace. For watchOS 9 support, or if running iOS 15, use Gizmo Kincaid instead. Kincaid instead. So for watchOS 8, use Gizmo Jupiter instead. About a day in iOS 14, experience notifications like never before, costs $1.99. Screenshots. They want to load. So this project completely new and modern, more modern looking location banner experience will add many new features in the process. Next is called Relocate Me, and costs $2.99. It's a tweet that allows you to relocate like your pretty much address, so you can pretty much fake